Hi, I am Teacher Dick, and our topic for today is greatest common factor. At the end of the class, the student will be able to identify the steps in finding the GCF of numbers. So GCF means greatest common factor. Ito ay numbers kung saan factor both numbers that are given to us. Sometimes there are two, sometimes there are three and more. Let's try to find the greatest common factor of 378 and 882. We will use this method called continuous division, and we will use it for both numbers. So we have 378 and 882, right? So we will think of number na pwedeng i-divide sa numbers na to. And first, we can divide them using the numbers 2. So when we divide 378 by 2, we will have 189. And when we divide 882, we will have 441. Remember that we can only divide or use numbers to divide them using prime numbers. Now we can divide 189 and 441 to 3. We will have 63 and 147. Can we still divide them? Definitely yes. Let's divide them using number 3. So 63 when divided by 3 is 21. 49 when divided by 3 is 49. 147 divided by 3 is 49. Now these two numbers can be divided by 7. So we have 21 divided by 7 equals 3, and 49 divided by 7 is equals to 7. 3 and 7 has no more common factors except 1. So, hindi na natin sila ma-divide pa. So, we will get all the numbers that we used to divide them because they are both factors of these numbers. So, multiply the common factors. In this case, we have 2 times 3 times 3 times 7 equals to 126. Therefore, the GCF of 378 and 882 is 126. Let's try another set of numbers. This time we will use three numbers: 144, 252, and 612. What is the greatest common factor? So we will list the numbers again. Think of numbers that we can divide to each of these numbers. And I think we can divide it by 2. We will have these answers 72, 126, and 306. We can divide these three numbers all by 2 again. We will have 36, 63, 253. Right. Now we have 3 because they can be divided by 3. Answers are 12, 21, and 51. These numbers can be divided by 3 also. We will have 4, 7, and 17. Now, these three numbers has no more common factors. Hindi na natin sila pwedeng i-divide sa 2, sa 7, sa 3, or any more numbers except 1. So we already have these factors, 2, 2, 3, and 3. We will multiply them again, and we will have number 36. Therefore, the greatest common factor of 144, 252, and 612 is 36. I will see you tomorrow for our sit work. See you!